Hello students and good morning. So now I am doing class for class 10. The topic is the same topic that we were doing in the last online class, that is trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. So today is the continuation class of this chapter. Same exercise, let us work out 23.2, page number 303 from the book Ganit Prakash for class 10 by West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. So now let's do this question number 7, number 1. The question is, if x sine 45 degree cos 45 degree tan 60 degree is equal to tan square 45 degree minus cos 60 degree, then let us determine the value of x. So here an equation is given. You have to solve that equation and get the value for x by substituting the trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. So you should know the value of trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. So I think you know all the values of the trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. So here the given equation is x sine 45 degree cos 45 degree tan 60 degree is equal to tan square 45 degree minus cos 60 degree. So from this equation you have to get the value for x. So let us find it. So here let us write down given x sine 45 degree cos 45 degree tan 60 degree, which is equal to tan square 45 degree minus cos 60 degree. All right, so let us put the values now. So x into, what is the value for sine 45 degree? You know that this is 1 by root 2. What is cos 45 degree? This is also 1 by root 2. What is tan 60 degree? This is root 3. So you should know all these values. So what is tan 45? 1, but this is whole square. Minus, what is the value for cos 60 degree? It is half. Okay, so let's simplify it. So it is x into 1 into 1 into root 3 is root 3, divided by root 2 into root 2 is root 4, that is your 2, which is equal to 1 minus half, right? So, or this is x root over 3 divided by 2 is equal to, let us simplify it. This is 2 ones are 2, minus 1 is 2 ones are 2, minus 1 upon 2. So let us cross multiply it. That is 2 root over 3x is equal to 2, or x is equal to 2 by 2 root over 3. So here 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Or what is the value for x? X is equal to 1 upon root over 3. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we will do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is 7 number 2. The question is, if x sine 60 degree cos square 30 degree is equal to tan square 45 degree sec 60 degree whole divided by cosec 60 degree, then let us determine the value of x. So here also an equation is given. You have to solve this equation in order to get the value for x. So let us solve this equation. So here also given is x sine 60 degree cos square 30 degree is equal to, now this is tan square 45 degree, this is your sec 60 degree divided by cosec 60 degree. Okay, now you have to substitute the value of trigonometrical ratios of these standard angles. So if you don't know the values, you can refer that table which we had done in the last online classes. Okay, so now let us put those values now. Or x into, what is the value for sine 60 degree? This is root 3 by 2. What is the value for cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree is also root 3 by 2, but this is whole square, right? So which is equal to, what is tan 45? This is tan 45 degree is 1, but since this is square, so this is 1 whole square. And what's about sec 60 degree? You know that cos 60 degree and sec 60 degree are opposite trigonometrical ratios. Okay, so in order to know the value for sec 60 degree, you should know the value for cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is equal to half. So now you can easily get the value for sec 60 degree, which is equal to 1 upon cos 60 degree, which is equal to 1 upon, what is cos 60? It is half. So after simplification you will get 2. So into this sec 60 degree is 2 whole divided by, so what will be the value for cosec 60 degree? Now you know that sine 60 degree and cosec 60 degree are opposite trigonometrical ratios. So in order to get the value for cosec 60 degree, you should know the value for sine 60 degree. So you know that sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So what is the value for cosec 60 degree now? Which is equal to 1 upon sine 60 degree, which is equal to 1 upon sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So after simplification you will get 2 by root 3. So what is the value for cosec 60 degree? It is 2 by root over 3. So let us simplify it now. So or x into, this is root 3 by 2 into, what is root 3 whole square? Root 3 whole square is root 3 into root 3, root 9, that is 3, divided by 2 whole square is 4, which is equal to 1 whole square is 1 into 2 into, when this 2 by root 3, which is in the denominator, if it goes up in the numerator, it becomes upside down, that is root 3 upon 2. So here you can cancel this, 2 gets cancels. Or now this is x into 3 root 3 divided by 2 4s are 8 is equal to root 3. So below root 3 there is 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, right? So now let us do cross multiplication, or x into 3 root 3 is equal to, this is your 8 root 3. So or what is the value for x now? So x is equal to, it is 8 root 3, 8 root over 3 divided by 3 root 3 divided by 3 root 3. So root 3 gets cancels. Or now this is x is equal to 8 upon 3. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so it is x is equal to 8 upon 3, right? So now you can convert into mixed fraction. This fraction 8 by 3 can be converted into mixed fraction. So you can divide 8 by 3. So 3 2s are 6. What is the remainder? 2. So what is the value now? 2 is the quotient. What is the remainder? 2 divided by 3 is the divisor. So 2 upon 3 is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we will do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is 7 number 3. If x square is equal to sine square 30 degree plus 4 cot square 45 degree minus sec square 60 degree, then let us determine the value of x. So here also the given equation is x square is equal to sine square 30 degree plus 4 cot square 45 degree minus sec square 60 degree. This is the given equation. You have to solve it and you have to get the value of x. So here given is x square is equal to sine square 30 degree plus 4 cot square 45 degree minus sec square 60 degree, right? So let us put the value of these trigonometrical ratios of standard angle. So what is the value for sine 30 degree? You know that sine 30 degree is 1 upon 2. So it is half whole square plus 4 into, what is the value for cot 45 degree? So you know that tan 45 degree and cot 45 degree are opposite trigonometrical ratios. So in order to know the value for cot 45 degree, you should know the value for tan 45 degree. So you should know the value for tan 45 degree, which is equal to 1. Therefore, cot 45 degree is equal to 1 upon tan 45 degree, which is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So cot 45 degree is also 1, right? So here you can write 1 whole square. Is that clear? Minus. Now what is the value for sec 60 degree? So now you know that cos 60 degree and sec 60 degree are opposite trigonometrical ratios. And you know that the value for cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. And sec 60 degree is just the inverse of cos 60 degree. That is, sec 60 degree is equal to 1 upon cos 60 degree. 1 upon half. So 2 goes up in the numerator. So cos 60 degree, you know that cos 60 is half. In order to know the value for sec 60 degree, you should know the value for cos 60, which is equal to half. So sec 60 degree is equal to 1 upon cos 60 degree, which is equal to 1 upon half, which is equal to 2. So what is the value for sec 60 degree? It is 2 whole square, right? So or x square is equal to, what is half whole square? 1 square is 1, 2 whole square is 4, plus 1 whole square is 1, 1 fours are 4, minus 2 whole square is 4. Here 4 gets cancels, or x square is equal to 1/4. Okay. So this is the value for x square. That means x square is equal to 1/4. So what are the values of x? X is equal to plus minus within square root 1/4. You know how to solve the value for x. So x is equal to plus minus, it is square root of 1/4. If x square is equal to 1/4, so x is equal to plus minus square root of 1/4, or x is equal to, this is plus minus 1 upon 2. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do question number 8. The question is, if x tan 30 degree plus y cot 60 degree is equal to 0 and 2x minus y tan 45 degree is equal to 1, then let us write by calculating the values of x and y. So in this particular problem, two equations are given. First equation is x tan 30 degree plus y cot 60 degree is equal to 0. And what is the second equation? 2x minus y tan 45 degree is equal to 1. And you have to solve these two equations in order to get the values of x and y. So let us write down the first equation now. So here, first equation is x tan 30 degree plus y cot 60 degree is equal to 0, or x into, what is the value for tan 30 degree? It is 1 by root 3, plus y into You know that cot 60 degree and tan 60 degree are opposite trigonometrical ratios. So in order to know the value for cot 60 degree, you should know the value for tan 60 degree, and the value for tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. And what is the value for cot 60 degree? It is just the inverse, that is 1 by root 3. That is, if tan 60 degree is root 3, cot 60 degree is 1 upon root 3, bracket closed, which is equal to 0. Okay. Now it is x1s are x divided by root 3, y1s are y divided by root 3, which is equal to 0. Let's take the LCM here. LCM is root 3. This root 3 is divided by root 3, that is 1 time, 1 into x is x, plus again this root 3 is divided by root 3, that is 1, 1 into y is y, which is equal to 0 upon 1. So let us do cross multiplication. So what do we get? That is x plus y is equal to 0 into root 3 is 0. So let us mark it as number 1. Is that clear? So again, second equation is what is the second equation in this case? 2x minus y tan 45 degree is equal to 1, isn't it? That is, this is the second equation, 2x minus y tan 45 degree is equal to 1, or 2x minus y into tan 45, you know that the value for tan 45 is 1, isn't it? So y into 1 is equal to 1. So, or 2x minus y into 1 is y is equal to 1. This is the second equation. So this is equation number 2. So now let us solve these two equations, number 1 and number 2. Since there are two unknown quantities x and y, there should be two equations, number 1 and number 2. Now let us solve these two equations, number 1 as well as number 2. So let us write here solving equations 1 and equation 2. Solving equations 1 and 2. So you know how to solve this simultaneous equation. You have done this simultaneous equation. You have done this solution of simultaneous equation in class 9. You know how to solve this simultaneous equation, right? So here what is equation 1? So here equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 0. And what is equation 2? This is 2x minus y is equal to 1. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So here you can add them. If you add, this y will be cancelled. X plus 2x is 3x. X plus 2x is 3x, which is equal to 0 plus 1 is 1. Or what is the value for x? X is equal to 1 upon 3. So this is the value for x. So let us get the value for y. So you can put this value of x is equal to 1 by 3 either in 1 or in 2. You can put this value for x either in 1 or in 2. So let us put it in 1. Putting the value of x, in 1. So therefore this is x plus y is equal to 0. Your x is 1/3 plus y is equal to 0. Or what is the value for y? Y is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So the answers are, what are those values of x and y? X is equal to 1/3. And what is the value for y? Y is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we will do question number 9. The question is, it is given that if A is equal to B is equal to 45 degree. Both A and B are given here as 45 degree. Let us justify. That means let us prove Let us justify means let us prove that number 1 is sine of a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, and number 2 is cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. So let us justify it. Okay, so let us do number 1. So first of all, let us find out the value for LHS. You have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So here LHS is equal to sine of a plus b. So here a is equal to b is equal to 45 degree. That means you can put a is equal to 45 degree and b is also 45 degree. So it is sine 45 degree plus 45 degree. So which is equal to, this is sine 45 degree plus 45 degree is sine 90 degree, which is equal to 1. This is your LHS. Now let us write down RHS. Let us justify it. So what is RHS? It is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So let us put those values of A and B. It is sine 45 degree, cos B is also cos 45 degree plus cos 45 degree. This is sine 45 degree. Okay, so which is equal to, these are same expression, you can add them. It is 2 sine 45 degree into cos 45 degree, right? Because these are the same expression, you know that, isn't it? These are the same expression, you can add them. So it is 2 sine 45 cos 45. So is equal to 2 into what is sine 45? 1 by root 2. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2 is equal to 2 into, this is 1 ones are 1 divided by root 2 into root 2 is root 4, that is 2. So you can cancel this, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, which is equal to 1. That means we have proved that, we have justified that LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So it is proved. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So similarly you can justify number 2, or you can prove number 2. So here also in number 2, A is equal to 45 degree and B is also 45 degree. So let us prove this number 2. Now what is left hand side here now? So LHS is equal to cos of A plus B, isn't it? LHS is equal to cos of A plus B. So let us write here, it is cos of, this is A plus B, which is equal to now, which is equal to cos of, what is A here? Here A is 45, B is also 45. A is 45 plus B is also 45 degree, which is equal to cos 45 degree plus 45 degree is cos 90 degree. What is the value for cos 90 degree? It is 0, right? So let us find out the value for RHS. Now let us find out the value for right hand side. So it is cos A cos B. It is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, right? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So which is equal to, what is cos A? What is A here? Cos 45 degree. This is also cos 45 degree minus, what is A here? It is sin 45 degree. Sin here B is also 45 degree. Is that clear now? So which is equal to cos 45 into cos 45 is cos square 45 degree. You can multiply it. What is sin 45 into sin 45? Sorry, this is minus sign. So this is only minus sign here. Minus sign is out here. What is sin 45 into sin 45? Sin square 45 degree. Understood? So now let us put the value of what is cos 45. This is 1 by root 2 whole square minus what is sin 45. This is also 1 by root 2 whole square. So which is equal to, what is 1 whole square? 1. What is root 2 whole square? Root 2 whole square is root 2 into root 2, root 4, that is 2. And similarly minus, this is also half. Both of them will be cancelled. which is equal to 0. Is that clear? That is, we have justified that LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore, this is LHS is equal to RHS proved. So is that understood now? So we have proved here LHS is equal to RHS. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. So this much is for today. So you revise all the problems that we did today, and in the next online class we'll do more problems on this trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. So this much is for today.